Is your PC stuck in an endless automatic repair loop? Don't worry. Today I will show you how to fix it step by step, and more importantly explain why it happens so you can prevent it next time. So let's get started. Click on Advanced Options. Then go to Troubleshoot. Then Advanced Options. After that, click on Startup Repair. This will begin diagnosing your PC. Wait for it to finish. If your PC gets repaired, great. If not, proceed to the next method. If startup repair doesn't fix, then click on Advanced Options. Then go to Troubleshoot. After that, click on Advanced Options. Now click on Command Prompt. Now enter these commands one by one. Type bootrec /fix boot and hit enter. If it shows access is denied, then type bootsect /nt60 sys. Then press enter. Now as you can see, boot code was successfully updated on all targeted volumes. Now again type bootrec /fix boot and press enter. Now as you can see the message operation completed successfully. Now type bootrec /canos and hit enter. And then you can see the message the operation completed successfully. Next type bootrec /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Then you should see the message operation completed successfully. Each command helps in repairing corrupted boot sectors, scanning your drive and fixing file corruption. Once all commands are executed, click continue to start Windows. In most cases, this solves the problem. If the previous method didn't work, then try this one. Open the command prompt from Advanced Startup and type chkdsk c:/f/r and hit enter. Sometimes the automatic repair loop happens because of hard drive errors or corrupt system files. This command checks and repairs all of that. It might take a while to complete, but don't skip it. This has helped many users get out of the boot loop without reinstalling Windows. Once it finishes, restart your PC. If the error was due to disk issues, your system should boot normally. If none of the previous methods work, then try System Restore. So first go to Troubleshoot. Then Advanced Options. After that go to System Restore. Now click Next. Now choose a restore point from a date when your system was working fine. After selecting, click Next. Confirm your restore point and click Finish. A warning will appear saying system restore cannot be interrupted once started. Click Yes to proceed. Your computer will restart and begin restoring files and settings. And most likely the issue will be resolved. Unfortunately, if none of the previous methods worked, then you should definitely check out our this tutorial. Even then, if none of the methods work, you will have only one option left, which is to reset your PC. Here, I will only demonstrate it to you. I will not perform it because my PC is completely healthy and fine. First, go to Troubleshoot. Then go to Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files or remove everything if you want a clean reset. You will now be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. Cloud download and local reinstall. Choose local reinstall to proceed with a faster reset. Now review your choices and click reset to begin the process. Once done, your PC will restart and be fixed successfully. So guys, by following these 5 methods, your startup repair loop issue will be 100% fixed. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorial and fixes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.